Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the stock reports location-wise list in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the report WMS menu under the warehouse module. Now, we have to select the stock reports location-wise report. On the stock reports location-wise list page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can see the stock reports location-wise list. If you want to download this list, just click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button. This is how to generate the stock reports location-wise list in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.